Hello friends, in this Diwali you can make over your garden completely without going outside with Sarit's decorative ideas.
Welcome to Sarit's Art Room. Today we are planning to make a wall decor in our cute little garden. So here is my beautiful garden corner. We are planning to make a decoration of garden wall today and we'll see complete transformation to our plain wall. So let's go ahead. This is the wall which we are planning to paint today and we'll see how it look after.
We need the basic acrylic color set, brushes, then jute rope and cardboard and flat and pointed brushes for today's activity. That's it. So again it's a basic material we need and we'll just make a magic. Friends, you can see outside it's raining and it's windy too. So I'm getting real fun of my wall painting and it's a beautiful scenic view right now outside. As you have seen, I have just outlined my drawing with blackboard chalk, so you can easily remove that outlines later, and after that I started painting with the acrylic color. While decorating any wall or any corner of your home, basic thing is you have to decide any particular theme for your decoration. So all decorative items you are using should relate each other, and as a complete piece of art it will look good. So I have taken colorful owls as a theme for today's wall art, and you can decide whatever you like as a theme, and whether it's flowers, whether it's a tree, plant. So here you can see I have almost completed my basic painting on the wall with outline, and now accordingly we have to set other things, taking judgment of how much height we have above your painting and below your painting, as overall from bottom to top it should look as a one single art piece. This hanging planter already I have shown in previous videos. It's very easy to paint it on a particular planter. So if you don't know how to do these designs, you can check my past videos and you can do these paintings on your planter in just few minutes. Yeah, this is beautiful money plant. This is also homemade hanging planter. I just took a small basic pot and used jute rope or sutar you can say, and with that I made it a hanging planter. It looks beautiful. Fresh green color of money plant enhancing beauty of our this wall decor. And after that, one of my favorite planter type, that's the bamboo planter. So I'm adding two bamboo planters with the different hanging plants into it. See how it completely changed look after adding those two bamboo planters. Right now I just added saplings into those planters, so my plants are not visible. Here is small cute spider plant pot is there. We have painted this pot also in one of our previous videos, and one idea I have applied here, I just made it as a hanging pot by drilling two holes at opposite ends. You can use two or three holes and hang it with again jute rope and it looks beautiful. Okay, what comes next in our art piece? It's DIY nest for our colorful owls. So we have done this DIY nest at home with acrylic colors and cardboard which comes along with the packaging boxes. So surely you can try this along with your kids and kids will love this activity. and this adds beauty to our art piece also. After hanging nest in the art piece, I am adding artificial sparrow on one of the planter, and here we are done. Now I guess we just left with the bottom side of the wall unattended. So let's add few beautiful planters and set few pots, and just by arrangement it will give a complete look to your wall. So a beautiful garden corner or wall is ready with multiple decorative items, and you are ready to go for evening snacks, tea, or any celebration, or you can take a photograph in front of this particular decorative wall. So it will be your selfie corner at home, and you will surely enjoy your Diwali festival with this particular wall. So don't forget to watch second part coming up for the garden decor, and keep on watching for new ideas and new creative thoughts. So thanks for watching, visiting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.